was thought to be Proterozoic. It was thought to be was thought to be Mozambique belt down here, which doesn't have any gold. Then this belt comes up, of course, and comes up towards Egypt and Saudi Arabia, where it widens out and you get your terrain here, which is prospective. So all of a sudden there was some belts down here which no one had licenses over and which were prospective. And again, the aeromagnetics showed what looked like belts that looked like here. And then a company that I'm associated with, a small company, came into here, a place called Mugambazi. A lot of action around here. Joe Scabetti originally took out a lot of ground here for Ashanti company. And then all of a sudden, illegal miners started to appear. You can see that this is quite rich, mining these deposits on a very steep hillside down in here, and the company that I'm associated with just drilled this terrain, and the first drill hole they got was 59 metres at 4.5 grams, which was the best intersection of the year for a greenfields operation, for a grassroots operation. And you can see the thrill of this is it's in a terrain that no one even suspected could have any gold in it. It just shows you there's lots of gold out there to be found. It just means that you've got to have the right jurisdiction, the government have got to be on side. All of this happened because the Ghana government if you excuse me, I've been travelling through America and Finland and then to here, and I'm totally jet-lagged in terms of what my time is. So if I say the wrong thing, it's that I'm a bit tired. But what it means is that in this case, the Tanzanian government made it attractive for companies to come into the terrain. A lot of research goes on, and all of a sudden you're finding deposits in terrains that no one even imagined you would find any gold deposits in at all. And I'm certain that this is what's going to happen in this part of the world. Okay, so
keep going.
You'll keep going?
Yeah.
Because I'll just switch over to my next slide, and then we'll have another break a bit later on. So